Taunton is Somerset's largest settlement and will be the focus of major growth from now until 2028, with a projected 13,000 new homes being built and the population due to increase to 85,000.
Yes, it has a long and ancient history, but it's also looking into the future.
As a lot of people may know, we've got up to 13,000 projected new houses being built over the next decade or so, and employment land to go with it. So the great thing for Taunton is we now have the chance to grasp the nettle and be a regional hub.
Taunton's rich heritage will be enhanced by a high-quality waterfront and wide open public spaces. Our plan is to set out a vision and key objectives to provide a framework for new development in Taunton. The key proposal is to create an expanded town centre with high-quality pedestrian connections between Firepool, Coal Orchard and the existing town centre.
St Modwyn are the UK's leading regeneration specialists. We've been working with Taunton for a number of years to bring forward a mixed-use scheme, make the most of the waterfront, link the station to the town centre.
This is Taunton Station. Due to a massive investment of £4.6 million by the government, the railway station will be turning itself towards town again. You will immediately have access to buses and taxis, walk into the town centre, down a tree-lined boulevard, down towards Coal Orchard and into the town centre. We've taken that walk down from Firepool Lock, or alternatively if you were coming down from the railway station. This is one of the biggest regeneration projects in the south of England. It's a very exciting project with over £100 million being spent right here on our doorstep.
So we've got a 16-acre site here, which used to be the former livestock market site. It's being cleared, ready for development. On the south side of the river, we've got the new 49 homes which are just being built, which will be ready next year. Behind me, the office building that was delivered for Viridor. Across the river, coming back to the north side, looking back up to the station, this is where we'll be delivering the new bars and restaurants, overlooking the river. You can imagine sitting out at the end of a day having a drink or a meal.
So take a moment to look at these images. Tree-lined boulevards, new restaurants, cafes, brand new shops bringing business to Taunton, a cinema and a hotel.
Well, the scheme's going to deliver a mix of offices for people to work in, hotel, cinema, shops, restaurants, but in total, when Firepool's completed, we should see about 1,800 new jobs created on site.
As a walker or as a cyclist, you will find you are then suddenly next door to the Somerset Cricket Club.
Well, Taunton's a very special place. Big infrastructure developments with roads, an enormous project at Firepool which sits adjacent to the grounds. Somerset's gone through a massive transformation itself in the last few years. We've seen buildings, the latest one's behind us, the Somerset Pavilion, and crucially that brings us up to the standard to host international cricket. We host our first match with England versus South Africa in 2017.
We're working with the relevant authorities, including county highways. There'll be a new access point off the new Northern Interdistributor Road, which will bring traffic in and out of the scheme. We're due to submit a planning application in autumn this year. Even when the application goes in, it'll be a 4-month process before a decision is made, and during those 4 months there'll be further opportunity for consultation and feedback on the plans. We're right at the centre of the town, delivering a huge scheme in the county town, and we want to make sure that the community are fully aware of the proposals and that as many people as possible are behind what we're doing.